Sorry, dude. Are you okay? And then dirt just went right into the car, so I'm gonna have to get a good cleaning there. At least with the white interior, you can see where the dirt is. So I'm gonna get it back to beautiful soon.
Hey, good morning. Gene Wanek here at Quality Wash and Detail. I'm out here in Goleta, California with Soph and his Tesla 3, I believe it is. And Soph recently was on a test track, and unfortunately he had to leave the windows down, and as you can see, as you will see, the inside got fairly soiled and fairly dusty and fairly dirty. So I am here today to clean that up for him as best as possible, using my process of a deep vacuum, vapor steamer, and some good old-fashioned just elbow grease. So
sweet.
That's my intention, and I'm going to do the best I can to clean this puppy up.
Awesome. Let's have a look inside here. So really nice. Look inside these grooves. Can barely notice any sand in there. Windows are nice and clean. Looks really good there. Super happy with it. As you can see, the white interior comes really nice, cleans up real nice.